Good afternoon. Welcome to Options Center. Hey patrons. Just want to do a quick update mid market real time here at just 10 minutes till 3 p.m. Eastern. We are looking at ES on a 65-minute. We have a triangle forming. It looks more like a descending triangle holding up at this 4071 area. Um, this this setup here, we can still count if this is the top. I know that's not uh, above here, it's in truncated, but on NDX or the NASDAQ, it is already made a higher high, and also on RTY on the small caps. But if we end it here, we still have a 1-2 setup where they both come back to the 786 retracement, and then possible um, descent from there. That's the bearish setup that I'm actually playing right now. Yes, I do have a bias. That will all be negated if we potentially, if you're a bull, you think this is an A, B, C, and it's all done. If we get over this so-called 2 or B wave, then that negates anything that we're doing. And this is breaking out to the upside. Okay, so that's a bullish scenario. Bearish is 1-2, 1-2. And then we have the triangle set up to where this is an A, B. This is a 3-wave down to C. We'd be completing D. And one more move to E. That would be slightly higher. It cannot be underneath here. So if we get underneath this low, then that negates this whole triangle scenario. And we probably start breaking down, some will say descending triangle, things like that. But so one more E, and then we'll look for a bullish structure to the upside, whether it's an ending diagonal or the 5-wave move up. Don't forget that ending diagonals are 3 waves. So you get 3 for the 1, 3 for the 2, 3 for the 3. The 4 will overlap the 1 in 3 waves, and then 3 waves up. So it looks tricky. So if the market's moving up and you look a little bit confused because they're not impulsive 5-wave moves, then that's the reason why. Otherwise, if we do see impulses, 5-wave move impulses, then we know that we're just moving up for another leg up. I suppose overnight, or we'll probably gap down again if we're not going to get the power hour 3 p.m. push down here with this tail candle. We'll have to see, but we'll if we get down here overnight, take some profits like we did today. Take off some profits when you get near a support area. If it gets underneath and starts holding and starts falling, you have plenty of time to get back in. Because if this is a 1-2, 1-2 setup, we have a full wave 3 that we're going to be looking for 4, 5, 4, 5 before heading back up for correction and then heading down further. So those are some things to look at. This is such a neutral zone. Everybody's crazy talking about bullish, bearish, bullish, bearish. We just have to wait and see. Yeah, I have a bias with my money, but that's what I'm choosing to do. If you come here, the RSI, we have a downtrend. If I see that downtrend breaking to the upside, then you better believe I'm going to start taking positions off and looking for some sort of structure to the upside. Okay, getting real tight in here on the MACD and the RSI. I think if this is a triangle, we have just a little bit more to head down, and then we'll probably start heading to upside there. People are talking about the CPI number on Friday. It's Tuesday, folks. So unless this market moves, extremely slow, where we're talking Wednesday, Thursday, 2 more days of trading, and so we should see some sort of apex by, I would imagine, tomorrow. I thought today, I would imagine tomorrow, but we'll see. It can do anything it wants. All right, so that's our update. Thank you for joining us here at Option Center. Have a good day.